I went online with Amazon and found some cutting wheels for my rotary slash Dremel tool here. And oftentimes I'm reaching back here, I'm finding this has some hard edges, and it's just part of the frame or the mounting area that I'm not using. So I'm just cutting it down to here at the top of what is used here. Now I have the tops of these two brackets cut off. I need to go ahead and round the corners off. I'm going to see if I can sand it a little bit, clean it up, and I think that's going to be good enough to put it back into the car. And that cleaned it up really good. The batteries on the passenger side are a very tight fit with the new lining. My cables originally had these rubber things on them, but I was having so much trouble just trying to get the rubber things to stretch far enough to cover the terminals. These terminals are still fairly exposed now, especially that I don't have the rubber ends on the lugs. What I'm looking at doing now is using this Deco Art. It's like a plastic. These plastic pellets melt in warm water, and then you can mold them around things. All right, so you just put some plastic in. You don't need too much. Then I just put it on low. Or at least I put the air on low, but a high temperature.
Because those balls can fly out the container. And you want to do this until they turn clear. As soon as they turn clear, they're ready, but they are hot. They'll stick to your hands. So you want to be able to get this off of your hand as soon as possible if that happens. But just test it out, play it a little bit.
What I do is I roll them up into a ball, just like grade school, and then you squish it flat like a pancake, and then wrap it over. I'm almost done making the covers. I've got them on all the terminals over here. They are turning white. They come right off. You can put them right back on. I'll probably have to color code them or label them or something. Like this one is very difficult for me to get. I gotta work that one. This one I can get, but that's a little difficult too, I think. There we go. So they do come off. I went ahead and I did a continuity test just to confirm. So if I drop a tool on these things, let's see if they... Nothing at all, nothing. Yeah, I need to stop for the night. So what did I do today? These battery caps, I made some, I got some moldable plastic, melted it, and formed some battery caps I could remove and put on at a whim. The motor controller, I cut the back of the mounting frame away, so you can see that metal with the angle there. I put a 45-degree angle and sanded it down, and that lets me actually tuck the battery cables behind there. Wired all the cables up to the batteries, got the passenger batteries in. I changed the direction of how this is mounted so that the wires go in from the top, so I can actually plug in everything, and I can actually see the screw terminals to get that little red wire in there. Tomorrow I need to get the forward and reverse switch in the bottom here. I'll have to modify the bracket a little bit, just so that it's more easier to work with the system in here. There's things about that just aren't needed now that I know where everything goes. I should go in the back room and get the cover for that fuse there. And I need to hook up the wires between the motor and the forward and reverse switch. And yeah, start wiring things up. So maybe this weekend this will actually drive. That would be awesome.